Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can add rules to your subreddit. So go to your subreddit. Now add some rules to your subreddit so that the community members know what is allowed and what is not. So to add rules, go to Rules tab under Mod Tools and click here to create your first rule. Here, write the name of the rule and explain it here. Then click on Save to create it. Now, your first rule has just been created and you can create more if you want. And when you go back to your main subreddit page, this is how it will look like. And if you find a need to edit them, just go back to Rules and click on the pencil icon of the rule you want to edit, and then click on Save after making your changes. Moreover, you can change it to show both rules and description or rules only. And this is how you can add rules to your subreddit. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.